Good morning, friends. Today we are going to switch on the second unit, and the first lesson is principles of inheritance and variation. The question arises: we should know about that. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. And the study of inheritance is genetics. And clones are the organisms of the similar genetic constitution. It may be in plants mostly, and animals. In animals, there are also clones in animals, and we call them gametes. And group of gamete is clone, and offspring is the organism of next generation. And the sudden change in organism is due to mutation. Mutation is change in chromosomes suddenly by radiations, chemical, etc. And variations are the basic topic we are to study before the principles of the inheritance. The name of the chapter is Inheritance and Variation. So first of all, we should know about the variations. The variations are the changes in the organism due to environment or genetics, or the change in the environment due to genetics and environment. Variations are the raw material, and that is due to genes or environment. The variations make changes in the next species. It is a change in the organism by two types of variation: somatic variation, genetic variation. Genetic variations are called germinal variations because somatic variation is a change in the somatic cells. Somatic cells of the body change by use and disuse of an organ. By exercise, we make muscles. By vocal cords, by practicing, we make our vocal cords to sing more good and beautiful. Nutrition, we can make health. Better conditions of life make us better. Then these are somatic variations. They end with the death of the organism, and they are not transferred in next generation. And second type of mutations are germinal mutation, genetic mutation, and genetic variations. Mutation is the other name of variations, but that is genetic variations. The germinal variations are of two types: continuous, discontinuous. Continuous, fluctuating variations, and discontinuous are mutations. Continuous, fluctuating, changing variation. It means sometimes petals of the flower are 5, sometimes 6. That biology, there is exception in biology. A man with 2 heads is possible in biology. A man with 4 arms is possible. As we see in our gods, with 4 arms, etc., that is possible in biology. The Pandavas and Kauravas are 100 brothers. Maybe that will be possible by that very zygotic fission and that zygote transfer in other organisms, surrogate mothers. Everything is possible in biology. That is another topic. So, continuous variations are of two types: substantive, meristic, and continuous variations are also two types: substantive and meristic. Substantive and meristic are two words to understand. Substantive means change in size, weight, and color, and meristic means change in number. These variations, if are fluctuating, they are continuous variation. If they are mutations, they are discontinuous variations. And we can differentiate by examples. By continuous variations, milk yielding capacity of the cattle sometimes increase, sometimes decrease. Our skin color sometimes change, by, sometimes or height in man is variable, intelligence is variable. That is substantive variation. Meristic variation in arm stars in the starfish, the arms may vary 4, 5, sometimes 6 petals of the flower, I told you. So discontinuous variations are the mutation, change in chromosomes by genes, by that very chemicals, by sunlight, UV radiations. These are by some sudden change, that very during gamete formation, meiosis, crossing over meiosis, there is no segregation of law of segregation does not operate. I mean, the genes are not segregated. That leads to hornless animals, short-legged animals, polydactyly, many 6 fingers and short fingers, fused fingers. These are all about variations. And there are some early theories of heredity. Next topic, early theories of heredity. Very simple. These are, we should not go fast. We should do everything very clearly, and we should understand everything at homes. You study these topics. I may just switch on the next topic. It will take very some moments, and you will study at home. I am following the book ABC or Modern. You may follow any, you may follow this, you may follow other. The basic, principles, the basic terms, the basic flow of the lesson is same. It is you to study. Some early theories of heredity, as our ancestors did not know about the fertilization, about the genes, about the genetics, about the heredity. Before Christ, some this we will study tomorrow. Interesting topic. I should not go fast. God bless. Tomorrow I will switch on the very beautiful topic: early views of heredity.